Here's the irrigation controller, which I have running on an Arduino Nano. Most of it's already soldered onto the strip board. On the breadboard I still have the screen as well as the weather sensor. Let's take a look at watering first of all. Now it's based on two buttons. The left button is a menu button which scrolls through the main menu options. The right button is a select button which scrolls through the sub-menu options. Now I can water either the garden or the grapes or both simultaneously, and I can do that for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. You see when I water the garden, the top relay turns on. And pressing the menu button during any one of the watering intervals will cancel. Pressing the select button during the 15-minute and 30-minute watering intervals advances to a higher time interval, but when it's at 1 hour, that also cancels it, so I'll show that with the grapes here. You see the bottom relay turns on for the grapes. And I can do both simultaneously. Pressing the select button from the main screen shows you live weather data. And I also have a slow blinking LED programmed in to warn me when the humidity is really high, so I know if I'm going to have fungal issues with my plants, particularly my grapes. I'll demonstrate that by blowing some humid air onto the sensor. There it goes. And I'll fan some normal air over it to get that humidity reading back down. And there you see it's back down. It's a little slow to go back down, and that's probably partly my fault because I have the sensor facing the breadboard. But if I continue to press the select button, the next thing shows me the soil moisture from this capacitive soil moisture sensor. And if I touch it with my fingers that have moisture on them, then you're going to see that value go up. If I let go, the value is going to drop. I also have room for a soil temperature sensor, though I don't actually have the sensor itself. And then pressing select again takes us back to the home screen. That's essentially a full overview.